Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 2 on the topic dropshipping. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over the advantages and disadvantages of dropshipping, finding profitable dropshipping niches, setting up your dropshipping store, and marketing and promoting your dropshipping business. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Setting up a dropshipping store. Once you've identified a profitable niche, it's time to set up your dropshipping store. There are several platforms you can use to create your online store, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces and a wide range of customization options to create a professional and visually appealing store. When setting up your store, pay attention to the design, layout, and branding. Your store should have a clean and modern design that reflects your brand identity. Use high-quality product images and compelling product descriptions to entice customers and increase conversions. Additionally, optimize your store for search engines by implementing SEO best practices. This includes optimizing your product pages with relevant keywords, writing unique and informative product descriptions, and optimizing your site's loading speed. Finding reliable dropshipping suppliers. Finding reliable dropshipping suppliers is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. Your suppliers will be responsible for storing inventory, processing orders, and ensuring timely delivery to your customers. Therefore, it's important to choose suppliers who are reliable, responsive, and offer high-quality products. Start by reaching out to potential suppliers and asking for samples of their products. This will allow you to assess the quality of their products and the efficiency of their fulfillment process. Additionally, ask for references or check online reviews to get a sense of their reputation in the industry. When evaluating suppliers, consider factors such as product quality, shipping times, return policies, and customer support. It's also important to establish clear communication channels with your suppliers to ensure smooth operations and timely updates on inventory levels. Marketing and promoting your dropshipping business. To attract customers and drive sales to your dropshipping store, you'll need to implement effective marketing strategies. Here are some tactics to consider. Social media marketing. Leverage popular social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to showcase your products, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your store. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. This can significantly increase brand awareness and drive targeted traffic to your store. Content marketing. Create valuable and informative content such as blogs, videos, or tutorials that are relevant to your niche. This will not only attract organic traffic to your website, but also establish you as an authority in the industry. Email marketing. Build an email list of interested customers and send regular newsletters and promotions to keep them engaged and encourage repeat purchases. Search engine optimization. Optimize your website and product pages for search engines to improve your organic search rankings and drive targeted traffic to your store. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process, and it's important to continually test and optimize your strategies to achieve the best results for your dropshipping business. Managing customer service in dropshipping. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. Since you're not directly responsible for order fulfillment, it's important to establish clear communication channels with your suppliers to ensure timely updates on order status and delivery. Additionally, be proactive in addressing customer inquiries and concerns. Respond to customer emails and messages promptly, and provide accurate and helpful information. This will help build trust and loyalty with your customers, leading to positive reviews and repeat business. Consider implementing a robust customer support system such as live chat or a help desk ticketing system to streamline customer inquiries and provide timely assistance. It's also important to have clear policies in place for returns, exchanges, and refunds to ensure a smooth and hassle-free customer experience. Conclusion: dropshipping presents an enticing prospect for aspiring entrepreneurs to establish their own online business without the complexities associated with managing inventories. By capitalizing on the dropshipping model, individuals can concentrate on marketing and providing excellent customer service, while their suppliers handle fulfillment of orders. While dropshipping brings a range of benefits such as minimal upfront costs and flexibility, it also presents challenges, including fierce competition and narrower profit margins. Nevertheless, with effective strategies, careful niche selection, and well-planned marketing tactics, it is possible to build a thriving dropshipping enterprise. It is crucial to conduct thorough research and select trustworthy dropshipping suppliers, optimize your online store for search engines, and deliver exceptional customer service to stand out in the market. Therefore, whether you are an experienced entrepreneur seeking to diversify your income streams, or a novice business owner exploring a low-risk venture, dropshipping provides an ideal opportunity to initiate and expand your online business. Wishing you the best of luck in your endeavors. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.